Results vary as to subject's kinetic structure and sturdiness.
I'm already missing.
The surgical wing has also borne similar breakthroughs. If selected, you will report to the veterinary surgery, where you will be assigned a surgical suite to begin your new augmentations. With latest surgical techniques, we will not only improve your physique, but we will graft more
You have been selected for chemical reassignment. Please report to the chemistry.
Ooh. That's uniting.
Soldiers, please report to the genetics lab. You will be undergoing genetic alteration.
I don't know how to salute properly. Ooh, something wrong. Something. Yeah, this stuff. Something happened here that's not good. Oh my gosh, I just moved. Ah! Having security. Ah! Freaking lasers. That must have hurt. Okay, these lasers burn you. Be careful. I don't know if I should put that on. It doesn't seem like it helped them.
Brown bears of North America. Brown bears, also known as grizzlies, are powerful mammals found across Alaska, western, and parts of the northwestern United States. Their homes in forests, mountain meadows, and coastal regions of Central Africa. Brown bears are
I can't bear to look.
native
Ah!
of Central Africa.
Oh, I don't mind if I do.
Living in close-knit families led by a dominant man and spend most of their time.
There's a guest activated trigger. I didn't see it doing it. I think it's a guest activated. That's like scientific stuff. Not in sync with there. Ah!
Bald eagles of North America. The majestic gull. Down here, large
Hello, birdie. Oh! Ah, I missed it! I missed it!
Tall tree for nesting and
I missed it. Darn.
as well as access to abundant fish. They're rotten.
Sorry.
Skill will also scavenger.
Let's see.
They form monogamous pairs of various
I don't even know where my case is. Let's get out of here. What that is? I hope it's a move. That's all. Watch yourself. Oh. You just stay right there. You stay right there. So. Walk quickly past that. Oh my gosh, what is that? Oh, wow. The choke is something. Oh. Okay. Finding to sip. That's. Oh, that's moving. That's moving. Creep outside the box. What's this guy doing? This guy won't see us. Ah! Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh. Can you see me in the fog? Can you see me in the fog? I am in the fog. See me. Oh. You see me in the fog? Whoa. Not your fantasy. Okay. That's my gimbal, man. This is cool. Oh man, this is cool. We're like a catwalk of some sort. Probably should use a wide angle lens because it doesn't gather as much light. About 50. That's cool. Even though it's like 52, I think. Ah. Whatever that is, it's really big. Really big. Okay. That was story.
Lengthening, muscular augmentation,
That cool?
synaptic restructuring.
It sounded that it was dark.
In the news.